Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule based on due date in Asana My Tasks. This is a powerful way to automate your task management and ensure that urgent items automatically surface exactly when you need to see them. Let's get started. First, navigate to the My Tasks section from the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This is your personal task list where all your assigned work lives, and it's the perfect place to set up automation that keeps your priorities organized. Once you're in My Tasks, look toward the top right of the page and click the Customize button. This button unlocks all the personalization options for your task view, including the ability to create rules that work automatically in the background. In the Customize menu that appears, select Rule, then click the Add button. This opens up Asana's Rule Builder, which lets you create conditional automation without any coding knowledge. Think of it as setting up a simple if this, then that instruction for your tasks. Now you'll need to choose your trigger, select due date is approaching, or whichever due date-based trigger fits your workflow. This tells Asana what condition to watch for before taking action. In the When section, click Task is due today to set your specific condition. Depending on your needs, you can adjust this to trigger for tasks due in 1 day, 2 days, or other timeframes. This flexibility lets you build a system that gives you the right amount of advance notice. Next, move to the Do This section, click Move Task to Section, and select your target section from the dropdown. You might choose Recently Assigned, Today, or any custom section you've created. This is where matching tasks will automatically land once the rule triggers, making them immediately visible. Finally, click the blue Publish Rule button at the top right to activate your automation. Once published, this rule runs continuously in the background, monitoring your tasks and moving them exactly when the due date condition is met. And that's it. Your due date rule is now active and will automatically organize your tasks based on when they're due, helping you stay on top of deadlines without manual sorting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.